Let's install Jupyter Notebook and Jupyter Lab on Windows 11. I'm going to start by opening my web browser, and the first thing we're going to do is to install Python. So let's go to python.org. Just like this, python.org. And from here we're going to be able to install Python. So we need to move the mouse over the Downloads option, then click here where it says Download for Windows, and then it shows the currently available Python version 3.14 at the time of this recording. So let's click on this link, and the Python installer is being downloaded. Okay, and it was downloaded, so let's run it to install Python. And here, make sure that you check both of these boxes, use admin privileges, and add python.exe to path. This is very important. And once you do that, click on Install Now. And now Python is being installed on our computer. Great, and setup was successful, which means that Python is now installed. We can now close the installer by clicking here. Next, I'm going to open the Windows terminal. To do that, I'm going to right-click on the Windows Start icon over here, right-click. Then I'm going to choose Terminal. From here, we're going to start by verifying the Python installation. This can be done by running python --version, and you can see that we do have the Python version that we just installed. I'm also going to run pip --version, and we can see that we also have a pip version. Pip is the Python package manager, and this is the tool that we're going to use to install Jupyter. So let's do just that. Let's use pip to install Jupyter, and to do that I'm going to run pip install Jupyter. And let's run this command. And Jupyter is being now installed, and Jupyter was installed. We can now start Jupyter, and this is also something that we're going to do from the Windows terminal. But we should know that the folder that's currently open in the Windows terminal, for example, this is the folder that's open now, is the folder that's going to be used for our Jupyter notebook. If you wanted to create your Jupyter notebook on a different folder, and let me show you an example. So here on my C drive I have this folder, example folder. If I wanted to create my Jupyter notebook in this folder, I could open this folder, then right-click and open in terminal. And this would open the terminal in this folder so that we can create our notebooks here. But I'm not going to do that. I'm fine with this folder, my personal user folder. So this is the folder that we're going to use to start Jupyter. And here's how we're going to do that. We simply need to run Jupyter notebook. Just like that, let's run this command. And we can see that Jupyter was opened. If we now want to create a new notebook, we can choose File from the menu, then New, then Notebook. And here I'm going to choose Python 3, so select. And here is our Python notebook ready for use. If we want to switch to Jupyter Lab, all we need to do is click on this link, and now we have Jupyter Lab.